Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing the phone and host. Make sure your Android has at least 20% battery and a stable Wi-Fi or a data-capable USB cable. This avoids mid-process failures. Once done, enable developer options and turn on USB debugging if you'll use a cable, because the system needs that elevated access to communicate. Also set a working screen unlock and accept permission dialogues when they appear. These steps let your computer or network see the device and transfer data securely. Now connect and authorize the link. If using Wi-Fi, enable wireless debugging and pair the device with the host using the shown code. Wireless ADB avoids cables, but requires both devices on the same network. If using USB, plug in and choose file transfer or USB tethering depending on your goal. Then accept the RSA fingerprint prompt on your phone. Make sure you have ADB or the needed file manager or backup app installed on the host, because the software completes the communication channel. Complete the task by performing transfers, backups, or using internet tethering. Watch progress indicators and phone notifications so you can allow prompts. Once file operations finish, safely eject from your computer or use ADB to disconnect, and then disable USB debugging if you prefer more security. If things go wrong, reboot both devices, try a different USB cable or port, and reauthorize the host when the RSA prompt appears. These quick fixes resolve most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.